Hi there, this is Mr. Fouché again from Travis Science Academy. And right now we're going to go over whether something is a function or not. On your quizzes, you're going to have some problems that have tables that look like this. And on the left side is all the x values, and on the right side is all the y values. Now, when you're looking to see if something is a function or not, our focus is really going to be on the x values. Let's say we have the x values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then the y values are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay. What I tell my students is cover up the y values when you're doing a problem like this and only look at the x values, okay? Sometimes I have them go and I have them individually circle each x value. And you can see I've circled a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. And then I ask myself, did any of these x values, again, not looking at the y, did any of these x values repeat? Did I see it more than once? And the answer is no. They're all there one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. So since none of them repeated, is this a function? We would say yes, it's a function. Okay? Now, sometimes they like to trick you. Let's say that instead of a 15, let's say they had a 10 here. And there's two 10s. Now, remember what I said at the beginning, we don't look at the y values when deciding if this is a function or not. So even though there's two 10s that repeats right there, that's on the y side. So no, it doesn't matter. All we care about is, are there any x values that repeat? And the answer is still no. They are all there. There's no repeating ones. Okay? So our answer would still be yes, it's a function. Do not get tricked by this. They could have 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 all the way down, and it would still be a function because we only care about do the x values repeat, and they don't. Now let's say we have something like this. X values on this side, y values on this side. And they have 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and over here they have 0, 6, 32, 47, 53. Okay. Now, again, we're only looking at the x side. I don't care about the y side. And when we look at the x side, we see that there are two 2's. That 2 repeats itself. Okay. Since the 2 repeats itself, okay, it is going to not be a function. No, not a function. Okay. If a number on the x side repeats, it cannot be a function. Last thing I'm going to tell y'all is there may be a graph. In fact, I know there is one graph. Okay, and the graph looks like this. And there's a line, a straight vertical line that comes down right here. Okay, so like this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, here's the graph, and there's a line that comes straight down. What this is this is a vertical line for the vertical line test. You may have heard of that. Okay. What this says is if when you're doing the vertical line test, if one vertical line touches the graph in at least 2 spots, so it touches here and it touches here, if it crosses the graph in 2 spots, then it is not a function. No, not a function. So that should help you on that problem. The rest of them look like this, and remember, only look at the x side. Are they unique, or does something repeat? If it repeats, it's not a function. If they're all unique, nothing repeats, then it is a function. All right, good luck, guys.